Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a perfume review video from Tom Ford. Yes, I have another Tom Ford review video for this week, or basically I just filmed another Tom Ford review video. But in today's video is a perfume review video, which is one of the newest launches that they have launched for a while now. Well, actually they're pretty consistent with their perfume launches. This has officially launched yesterday, so Monday the 21st of August. I was lucky enough because I have been gifted this fragrance and I managed to get my hands on this. Even pre-launch, basically, I did not got this yesterday. I got this basically a week ago as a gift. Obviously, I had no time to film it and so on, but here I am filming it and uploading it as soon as I can. And this was also exclusive, like I think a pre-launch exclusive to Flannels Beauty. If you guys don't know what Flannels Beauty is, it's basically a online beauty store. They also have like an in-store boutiques as well across the UK, but they are all obviously as a startup, their first startup and online websites. Obviously Flannels is designer accessories and clothing and everything. They also have like beauty products as well, and this was a pre-launch exclusive in Flannels Beauty. And without any more further rambling, the fragrance I'm talking about is the Tom Ford, other way around, is the Tom Ford Cafe Rose. You guys can see I have not opened this, I have not tried this one out, and I'm pretty excited to open it with you guys on camera. Finally, I have a fragrance that I'm gonna open and try out here for a very long time. Compared to my other review videos in the past, to two other ones that I didn't have the fragrances, but this one I have the full bottle with me and I'm so excited to try it out. Cafe Rose. They used to do a Cafe Rose fragrance, I think, in one of their private blend. Is it called a private brand collection? Basically the one which are more square bottles. I'm gonna insert a picture on the screen. They used to do one of those, and that one was quite like a coffee kind of rosy scent, like a Turkish coffee basically. Very heavy, very rosy, very strong. I wasn't a fan of that. This one, on the other hand, I don't really know what to expect. I don't know if it's more like a nicer version. I don't know if it's more like a Velvet Orchid inspired version of the Cafe Rose. I really don't know what to expect because I'm not wearing anything in my room. So I'm so excited to open it. And without any further rambling, let's just open the bag and the box. Are you guys ready? I don't know how the bottle looks like, but are you guys ready? Wow. The color is beautiful. This, I don't know what to call this color. Is it like a bronzed, like a coppery? It's like a metallic color. I honestly don't know what to call its color, but it's so beautiful. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. This is the bottle. Wow. The bottle looks beyond insane. It looks so beautiful. Can you guys see the bottle? I'm gonna insert some close-ups on the screen, you guys can see, but the bottle looks super nice. Very lovely rigid design, which Tom Ford is known for, this kind of textured glass. Also got it on the cap. Very nice sound effects it kind of makes. It's got the TF logo, it's got the Tom Ford Cafe Rose plaque at the front, and obviously it's got the details at the bottom, and the back is just plain. So overall, I really like the packaging, I really like the bottle. It looks super sleek. Can you guys see? It looks like a phone basically. I really like the packaging, but I'm gonna put the packaging to a side. I'm gonna address it a bit later, but let's just get into the scent because I really wanna try the scent so badly right now. So let me roll up my sleeves. Oh, I can see an airplane. Next month is my month basically. I don't know, is it me, or whenever I see an airplane, aeroplane or plane, whenever I see a plane in the sky, it kinda not relaxes me, it's kinda giving me this kinda feeling from the inside, like, people are traveling to another country. I'm like, oh wow. Anyways, back to the fragrance. Okay, you guys are ready? Oh, okay. Very interesting. So I'm not a perfumer, or I'm not a nose basically, what is it called, but what can I get my first instant thoughts regarding the ingredients wise? I can smell rose, a floral delicate rose. I think it's the Esparta rose, which is more floral and delicate. I can smell musk. There's no vanilla, there's no sweetness. It's very powdery, like rosy, floral, powdery basically, and musky. Is there coffee inside? Not really. But it has like a very zesty and kind of fresh top note, which I can't get my head around it. Okay guys, I'm gonna let this sink in on my skin, and then just on the Fragrantica website, where I'm gonna look at the notes right now, and also gonna go to the Tom Ford website and check the notes there as well, because I'm a bit confused, not gonna lie. So, starting off with the top notes, it contains Turkish rose and coffee. Turkish rose I can smell, the coffee I can't smell. Middle notes, Bulgarian rose, patchouli, cardamom, coriander, and ylang ylang. Okay, the Bulgarian rose I can smell, patchouli, coriander, and cardamom are quite spicy. Can I smell it? Gonna let it sink in a little bit. Where's the muskiness coming from? And the base notes, it's got frankincense and sandalwood. So the frankincense basically is the olibanum, which is a resin and a balsam. So it's very like balsamic, woody, spicy with a fruity top note. This is what frankincense is basically. You guys know what I'm talking about. And let's just go to the Tom Ford website and say what they have regarding their ingredients. So it says essences of rose and dark coffee reveal sensual depth, while ylang ylang exudes an opulent Florence, coriander, patchouli, and cardamom infuse a spicy warmth to incense, resin, and sandalwood accords. Okay, it's basically got the same kind of notes in here as Fragrantica. 2023 Tom Ford relaunches Cafe Rose as part of the signature line. Once again, the fragrance is portrayed as a captivating and pleasurable experience, centering around the untamed sensuality of refined rose infused with unexpected twist of dark coffee. While the fragrance still develops on my skin, let's talk about the packaging. I showed you guys the box. The box looks beautiful. Again, the rigid kind of texture that it has also on the glass. Beautiful metallic. I would say, what would we call this color? It's more like a bronzy slash rose gold slash copper kind of all mixed together. Metallic basically. Beautiful, beautiful color and packaging. Heads like beautiful. The bottle, again, very sleek, very lovely. The rigid textured design of Tom Ford. The cap also got the rigid design, and it's got the TF logo in here. Got the black Cafe Rose, and this is just beautiful. Beautiful packaging, beautiful bottle. Let's talk about the sizes and the prices. This comes in a 30 ml as well. I don't have the price point for that, and again, prices change depending on retailer and where you live. However, in terms of size-wise reference, this is a 50 ml. This is a 50 ml, which looks quite big, you know, like the 50 ml is a very, very decent size. The 50 ml retails for £106, and then also comes in 100 ml, and which retails for £150. Come on, you guys. For another £44, you can get the 100 ml, and you will get basically another 50 ml basically for £44. So 100 ml is a much, much better option to go for if you like this kind of scent. Now, as I said, this was exclusive to Flannels Beauty, but now it's officially launched everywhere. So definitely go in your local Tom Ford Beauty counter and check it out. I'm sure you guys will find it over there. Try it on your skin and see how it develops on your skin. Speaking of my skin, very much, let's smell it once again, inhale it, and let's get to my final thoughts. This fragrance is a Eau de Parfum fragrance, so it's a very long lasting fragrance, obviously, and now it has dried down on my skin. I can definitely smell now the spices a little bit, the cardamom and what was it? The coriander. I can really smell the coffee, not really. I mean, I can smell the frankincense. The frankincense and the sandalwood makes it a bit more woody and more musky, I would say. but I really can't smell the coffee in it. I am a huge coffee drinker. I love coffee, and I know a fragrance that has like coffee infused kind of scent. This one, on the other hand, doesn't smell like coffee at all. I don't know, maybe on my skin it doesn't suit me, but for some reason I feel like this fragrance does not suit my skin type. On my skin it gets very like musky and kind of in a weird way, not like a nice way. I feel the rose is completely gone. I can't smell the rose at all, and I can't smell the coffee as well. It's really interesting. Really like interesting and weird. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe it. I must say I'm not a fan of this fragrance. It's not like a fragrance that I'm like, ooh, wow, this is interesting. I mean, obviously I do have favorite kind of notes like vanilla, amber, tonka, like more sweet, more floral. I do like floral scents. I like all kind of scents basically, but sometimes with fragrance, you know, when you smell something, you instantly fall in love with it. No matter what kind of notes it has, you're like, oh wow, I really like this. Oh, or for example, that you say, oh, I can wear this, even though it's not something for me, but I can see definitely myself wearing it this day, every day, this occasion, you know what I mean? Whereas with this one, when I smell it, I feel like I can't really see myself wearing this fragrance at all, so very interesting. Yeah, not gonna lie, I'm a bit disappointed. I'm very disappointed. It's not what I expected. I expected more like, hey, again, back to the reference, Velvet Orchid, Black Orchid, this kind of sweet kind of sense, like Cafe Rose. I was expecting more like a coffee infused, a bit more coffee, a bit more roses. I mean, the roses are obviously there, but a bit more sweeter a little bit, as the name says. This fragrance name is completely wrong. They should have said this fragrance as like a floral powdery scent. This is how I would describe the scent basically, or this fragrance is very powdery on me, very floral. Yeah, I honestly, so bad to say, I am not a fan of this fragrance at all. I can't see myself wearing this fragrance. I mean, it's very different, very interesting, and I might say it's not my favorite. Honestly, I do love Tom Ford fragrances. They are beautiful in the fragrance world. Basically, they do exceptionally amazing fragrances that I like from Tom Ford. If you guys want me to do like a separate video of my favorite fragrances from Tom Ford, do let me know. But this one, I'm not sure of this. I mean, don't buy this online. Definitely go in store and try it out. Maybe I am a bit very skeptical on this, or I'm hating on this. I'm honestly not hating on this. I love the presentation. I love how the way it looks like, but the scent I don't like. Just me. Just my personal opinion. Honestly, if you already have it, so sorry, but I personally don't really like this scent. So I'm gonna finish off this video in here before I get sued by the brand and before they will never work with me in the future. So I do love Tom Ford, don't get me wrong, I do love their brand in general. So I'm gonna finish off this video in here. Hope you guys found this video all informative and interesting. So if you didn't, please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more perfume review videos like these. If there's any other video suggestions you guys want me to do, or any other type of perfumes you guys want me to film, do let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on my socials at Rama Blogger. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.